So now we're going to have a look at the square root function and how to sketch it, and then also how to determine an equation. So over here we've got y equals 2x plus 1 minus 4, the square root of x plus 1 minus 4. So for this, we know that it'll start at negative 1 because of the 1 there, and negative 4. Now, from there we also need to find our x and y intercepts, so we'll do our y-intercept. Let x equals 0, so we'll have 2 times the square root of 1 minus 4 equals negative 2. I'll have our x int, we'll let y equals 0, so we'll have 2x plus 1 minus 4 equals 0. Bring the 4 over to the other side, so I'll have 2 root x plus 1 equals 4, divided by sides by 2, x plus 1 square root equals 0, square both sides, and we've got x plus 1 equals 0, so from there x will equal negative 1. So there we have our 2 points. So from there we sketch it. We've got a start point at negative 1, negative 4, so that's somewhere about here. It cuts through at x equals negative 1. That doesn't seem right. But of course this has got to be plus 2. My mistake. So there we go, it's going to cut through a negative 1, cut through it positive 2, and go from there. So we're starting at negative 1, negative 4, cutting through at negative 1, and then cutting through here at 2. Okay, so now if we're trying to find an equation, we write our general form. Y equals the square root of a x minus h plus k. Starting point at 2 and 2, so it tells us that it is a x minus 2, and over here is plus 2. Now from there we know that at 0, at x equals 0, y equals 0, so we substitute those values in. So we'll say a 0 minus 2 plus 2. It doesn't look like this is going to work. Now, just going through some notes there, sorry. Because we know the graph is going this way, we've got to have a negative out front of here. So it's got to be negative, so 0 minus 2 has to be negative, and that'll equal 0. So then over here we've got a square root of 2 plus 2 equals 0. So a square root of 2 will equal negative 2. Divide both sides by square root of 2. A equals negative 2 over root 2. So a value for a, there we have a value for h, there we have a value for k. And that's what we're left with.